I got a business opportunity for you, for those of you that want to get in a motorcycle related business and it has very little startup. Stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Hey, continue to leave video suggestions, but if you want to see more of my videos, go to my website, CycleCruza.com. Click on the menu tab, My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with my nearly 1,300 videos categorized into those playlists to make it easier for you to navigate through.
I'm telling you, man, this bike is X-rated though, for real. This thing is an absolute monster. All right, let's get some twisty action out here. We'll talk about this business opportunity. Woo! Get some pole action out here. Good times out here, baby. But anyways, yeah, so you want to make some extra money out there. Start your own business and let it be motorcycle related. You know, I talked about in my last video, a couple of videos ago, I talked about salvage bikes. Talking about how you can get some really awesome bikes for cheap that are really just, some of them are just banged up. Well, you know what? There's a really great opportunity with salvage bikes. You know, oftentimes you can pick them up ultra cheap. We're talking like less than $500 sometimes, man. And really a lot of times it's just fairings that are beat up, or, you know, the bike scratched up here and there, and the insurance just doesn't want to pay all that extra money for them fairings, because fairings are really expensive. And so what you can do, the opportunity is you, which, by the way, in order to get a salvage bike, because I know some of you guys mentioned CycleCruza, you didn't tell me how to get a salvage bike. You can go online. They have a bidding sites, many of them, where you can bid on a salvage bike, and which I showed you in that video. So you get the bike, and guess what? To make money, part it out. Say you get it for, I don't know, say you get it for $500, man. All I know is these people are going really slow, and I gotta blaze by them. I can't beat behind these fools, man. But anyways, yeah, $500, and you take all the parts off the bike and sell each individual one. I'll tell you, CycleCruza actually made money that way with this Chinese scooter. You know, when that sucker, I paid $1,000 for it, and it lasted all of 800 miles. Come on, man. Shoot. We may have to take some evasive action here, guys, and do some off-road passing. Tired of this, man. It's that stupid dump truck up there. Do some... Take the bike path. Now I gotta be able to cross over without making a fool of myself. Yeah, baby. Wet action. I'll tell you, this is a hooligan bike, baby. But yeah, I parted out my my Chinese scooter, man, and I just got a free website, you know, those that are listed with ads on it. Posted all the parts on there, took inventory of all the parts that I took off the Chinese scooter, took pictures, put prices up. I actually didn't even use PayPal. I used a P.O. box, and I said send money orders. I'll tell you guys, I made over $2,000 in parts off that Chinese bike. And I still had a bunch of parts left over. So I not only made my money back, I got an extra $1,000 on top. So if I could do that with a Chinese scooter, you can definitely do that with a Japanese motorcycle, man, where you can actually charge a lot more for parts than I did for that Chinese scooter. Woo! And then a Supermoto. You hit around them corners, no problem, baby. Don't have to worry about them knobbies sliding up from underneath you. Woo! This thing's a bat out of hell, man. That's what you could do. That's a money maker right there for you, baby. Buy a few of them. Inventory parts. You could even, if you wanted to, rent out a little place. You know what I'm saying? Tax deductible. Put all the parts up in there. Turn into a junkyard. Yeah, baby. We're just clowning out here today. Woo! I love it, baby. Good times on the Supermoto. Supermoto. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Start a junk part business with Salvaged Bikes. Because you know what, man? The people buying the parts don't know it's a salvage bike. All they want is a cheap used part. They can save money, you're making money, and bada boom, bada bang. And if you want to, you can even fix up salvage bikes and resell them, even though they're kind of a hard sell, because you can't get comprehensive insurance for them, and it's tough to resell them oftentimes. So people don't really want to be bothered. This thing is a monster, I tell you, a monster. Woo! Good time, baby. Good times. Good time. I'm telling you, forget the liter bike. You don't need no liter bike, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not missing my CBR right now, guys. I'll tell you that. But yeah, so there you go, man. Low startup. It's just gonna take some time to remove all the parts, clean them up, inventory them. Like I said, you can throw them on eBay if you want to, man. I threw a few of them on eBay and sold them that way, and I threw a lot of them on Craigslist too. I sold that frame literally the next day I posted it, because it had a clean title, of course. It'd be hard to do that with a salvage bike. But I'm sure there's somebody out there that would love to have a frame of a certain bike that you have, that maybe they want to use it for like drag racing or something, like put a make a Frankenstein powerful fast sleeper bike or whatever, you know. So, but yeah, you can sell pretty much anything. I still had, like I said, I still had Chinese parts left over, man. I just threw them in a recycle bin. Like I had the fuel tank left over and some turn signal, a few things, stupid little stuff, but the major stuff I sold quick. And I literally sold it probably within a month or two, man. So there you go, guys. Make some money, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys get caught up with just working at your job, you know, and then when you lose your job, you're like, you know, then you get broke, and then you're trying to look for another, have a hard time finding another job. You got to do you got to have multiple sources of income, guys. Don't count on just that job, because these jobs are like, nowadays they get rid of you if they don't like your hair parted a certain way or something. They don't care no more, man. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta keep it moving, baby. You got to diversify, like you do with investments. You got to diversify. But anyways, guys, for those of you guys that want to get my gear, these awesome Cortec gauntlet gloves I have, my new winter jacket, camo pants, boots, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab at my gear, and those are links to all my stuff.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.